video tutorial, we will see how to print number triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here in this pattern, every line begins with the space characters. The space characters are gradually decreasing from 8 to 0 in the range of 2 line by line. 8, 6, 4, 2 and 0. These space characters are appended with number characters. These number characters are gradually increasing line by line in the range of 2 from 1 to 9, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Along with every number there is a space character appended, and we can divide this pattern into two parts. Let's type code to print this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5. 5 is the required number of iterations, and at the end of every iteration we are going to increase I value by 1. So our I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So at the end of fifth iteration, I value will become 5, 5 less than 5, condition false, and our iteration is going to stop here. To print this type of pattern, we require a nested while loop with a variable called j is equal to 0, while j minus 1 less than I into 2, and at the end of this nested while loop we are going to increase j value by 1. So here for the nested while loop condition, j value will be minus 1 less than 0, which is, this condition is true and it is going to give iteration. Then j value is going to increase by 1. J value will be 0, 0 less than 0, condition is false, iteration is going to stop here. Now after completing the iteration of this while loop, our value is going to increase by 1. So 1 minus 1 less than 1, condition true, then 0 less than 1, condition true, and 1 less than 1, condition is false, and this iteration is going to stop here. So every time this while loop is going to get iterate for the remaining values of I, 2, 3 and 4. So let's print the space characters. We are going to combine two spaces here, multiply them with 4 minus I. This is going to reduce the number of spaces from 8 to 0, 8, 6, 4, 2 and 0. And in the same line we want to print the number character. So separate it without any value in the end. Now to print the result, we are going to use a logic I into 2 minus j and 1 into that, and separate them with the space character. Let's run this py triangle.py file in the terminal. You can see we are able to print the result in the same line, but we want to print it line by line. For that we are going to use a print method without any value outside this while loop. Print. Save the file and run py triangle.py file in the terminal. You can see we are able to print the required triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number triangle pattern.